Only qualified personnel should service and install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video demonstrates leveling the doors on a Napoleon Prestige PRO gas grill. To perform this service, you will need safety glasses, gloves, and a Phillips screwdriver. Depending on the placement of the grill, minor uneven surfaces can make the doors appear unlevel. If the doors appear unlevel, open the cabinet and turn your attention to the hinges. All door adjustments can be made using the screws located on the hinges. The top and bottom innermost screws, on the hinge base, adjust the vertical placement of the doors individually. The single innermost screw on the hinge, adjusts the doors closer, or further apart. The outmost single screw on the hinge, adjusts the closing depth of the doors. Only make one small adjustment at a time, closing the doors with each adjustment to check alignment. You may need to adjust both doors to achieve the desired leveling, distance, and closing depth of the doors. Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.